This is an Oittm charging dock for Apple AirPods. So, coming in from autumn, maybe autumn, something like that. This is a charging dock for Apple AirPods. Now, I don't have any Apple AirPods here on me, but I have a friend who has them, and he's going to be reviewing these for me. It's a dock for you to pop your AirPods into and keep them topped up at home. Leave them charging overnight if you like. So these are made for the Apple AirPods, and they cost around $17.99 from Amazon. And on the back here we have output, which is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. The colour is white and silver. There's your dimensions for you, which is 86.3 by 70 by 60 millimeters. It's got a charging cable of 80 centimeters, and it's made of PC, aluminium alloy, and silicone. Swish. Okay, so let's have a quick look at it and see how it goes. Ooh. There we have it on the top. Some packaging that's no frills, and a product structure or a guide as to how to use it. So front charging slot, TPU protective layer, LED indicators, and on the back there's the ABS above center, whatever that is, USB charging cable, and aluminium alloy bottom cover. Instructions of how to use, because we don't actually have any AirPods to pop in there. Plug in the charging thing, insert your AirPods, working status, red light means power, green light indicates fully charged. So here it is. It's fairly weighty actually. It feels good quality. Okay, so it feels very good quality, and something that an Apple lover would likely go for. We have the name etched on there, not etched, but it's painted on the plastic. We have that LED here. There's actually a bit of a mark there on the front, maybe from the factory floor. This feels nice and cold, as in the aluminium alloy that they've used there, and then rubberized on the bottom. And you can just about make out some of the blurb that's on there that kind of reiterates what is written in the manual. Round here we have the charge connector, which doesn't look to be too reinforced or anything like that, but this isn't designed to move too much, I wouldn't imagine, and the rubber bottom is going to keep it in place, so I don't think you really need too much reinforcement there. And then down to a USB connector, which is unbranded, very simple looking. In there we have the lightning connector with a kind of rubber silicone inside to keep things nice and snug and anti-slip. And that's about it. We're going to have to throw these out to Paul for him to review and have a look and see how long it takes to charge and those sorts of things, and if it keeps up to speed. So let me know if you have any questions for Paul to include in the review. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy, and other than that, take care.